How to use Spotify songs as ringtone on iPhone. Let's get started. First, you will need to download these apps, Ringtone Maker and GarageBand. You can get this app easy from the App Store. Now you can launch your Spotify. Then play the song that you want to set as ringtone. Then you have to screen record. So open up your control center and click on the screen recording icon. Record the song. Once you record the song, it will be available in the gallery. Now you can close this. Launch your Ringtone Maker app. Click on this plus icon. Click on the option of import from this video. With that, your gallery will open up. You'll find the recorded video in your gallery. You have to select that video. Once you have imported this video in this app, now you can close this. Now you can launch your GarageBand app. Now here you're going to find this section of audio. Click on it. And under that, you're going to find the recorded file. You have to click on that file. From here, you can make changes to your file. And once you're done, you can hit back. Once we're done with making changes to your audio file, what you can do is rename it. Press and hold, click on rename, give it a new name, then click on done. Now you have to save this audio file as a ringtone. So press and hold, then scroll down, click on the option of sure. Now select the option of ringtone. Again, you can give a name to your ringtone and then click on export. Ringtone export successful. Click on OK. Now close this. Launch your settings. Scroll down, open this option sound and haptics. Click on the option of ringtone. Now over here you will be able to find that audio file. You can see that try. Now I can select this file as a ringtone. This way you can easily use Spotify songs as ringtone on iPhone. By following the same steps, you can easily use any song from Spotify to use as a ringtone on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.